Hi, my name is Hannah Bodie. This is my eyeball dissection, sheep eyeball, for A&P Lab summer 2023. Just wanted to point out all of the key structures and functions of the eyeball now that it's been dissected. I guess I'm going to start with the back half. I thought this was really interesting that the retina was like this kind of like jelly like substance, not really like jelly, but like this little like lens that's all folded up in there now. And I had no idea that the choroid was this like black and like metallic kind of texture, so that's cool. Flipping it over, you can see the optic nerve, and here's the optic nerve, and when you like pinch it, you can kind of see the fibers. It's very tough. This is very tough too. I guess I wasn't expecting that. I kind of thought the whole thing was going to be like this softer tissue. Same with the front, actually, half of the eye. When you look at it, you can see the cornea that has been resected, and kind of I cut it in half to like visualize its thickness, which is pretty cool. And then the lens, I guess I didn't expect any of these parts of the eye to be like hard, and like maybe the part of like how they preserve it, there we go. But that was really surprising. Same with when I like was separating the layers here. You can see where the pupil was, and like where the iris is, and like when I initially opened this up, this was kind of like suspended inside, and you could see some of those like suspensory ligaments. Also did not, I don't know where my expectations came from, but again, didn't expect the inside to be black like this. I think the coolest part though is how you can see the texture in here, where like the iris is and like the color would be, even though this is like a sheep's eye, like they still like, you know, have like that characteristic shape, if you will. A couple other things I wanted to point out is like this here where the optic nerve insertion is like the blind spot on like the back of the eyeball. And I didn't realize this was like this kind of color texture in here that I thought was really cool. And then you can also like the vitreous humor, you can see that my little table is like wet because it was kind of, once I finally like got through the like hard, like this like really rigid outer like layer, when I was actually like cutting it in half, it like started oozing all over the place. And then I know there's some like jelly like substance kind of in the back. This kind of gives me like, makes me think of like an oyster. It's kind of gross. Anyway, that's all I have to say about my eyeball dissection. I will be posting this video shortly. Have a good day.